In traditional medicine, Abrus precatorius has been used for various purposes, despite its toxicity. For instance, 1. Roots and leaves. In Ayurveda, the roots and leaves are used, after proper processing, to treat ailments such as sore throats, coughs, and skin conditions like eczema. 2. Seed paste. When detoxified, the seeds are sometimes ground into a paste and used externally to treat skin diseases, wounds, and hair problems. 3. Traditional remedies. Extracts from different parts of the plant are used as an aphrodisiac, anti-inflammatory, and for pain relief in some traditional practices. However, the seeds themselves are incredibly toxic if consumed without proper detoxification, and their use requires extensive knowledge to avoid poisoning.